In my last video, we found our content direction, tapped into the power of AI to understand our audience, and landed on the perfect post idea. In this case, the future of AI and AI as a creative partner. Now, let's turn that idea into a scroll-stopping social post. Hi, I am PixelPia, and you are welcome to Human Eye on AI, where I make tutorials and explainer videos about AI from a human and user-related point of view. And this is episode 2 in a series about using AI as a creative companion, in this case for creating social media posts. So let's tackle the heart of any great social post, the caption. It's got to be eye-catching, make people want to read more, and perfectly fit the vibe of our brand. Now, I could write something myself, but where's the fun in that? Let's see what our AI writing assistant can come up with. So here we are in writer.me. And as I told you in my last video, I have a paid version, so I have the advantage of creating a tone of voice that is mine. And in this first example, we are gonna use that. As I said, we are gonna create a social media post. The only two specific social media they have in here is a Facebook post and a LinkedIn post. So I am going to choose the Facebook post here. Then we're going to write what post type. And I wrote, get attraction to my YouTube channel, PixelPia Human Eye on AI, by people curious about AI from a basic and user-friendly perspective as my post type. And then for the key message here, since it's about the future of AI and AI as a creative companion, I write, AI can be a great creative collaborative partner if you use the right AI tools and use them as partners, not replacements. On my channel, I will show you how. And then when that is set up, I make sure I have English, my tone of voice, Facebook post, the post type, and the key message. And down here, I can choose what degree of creativity I want. And let's go with none in this case, because I am using my own voice. And let's do one variant. We can do 1, 2, or 3. And I just click write. And here we have the post. Hey there, I am PixelPia, a teacher, tech enthusiast, and lifelong learner. I'm really excited to share my new YouTube channel with all of you, PixelPia Human Eye. As someone who's always been fascinated by the potential of AI, I wanted to create a space where I could explore this technology from a human-centric perspective. On my channel, I'll be diving into how AI can be a fantastic creative partner, as long as we use the right tools and approach it as a collaborator, not a replacement. I'll be sharing my own experiences, tips, and insights on using AI, writing assistant, image generators, and other AI-powered tools to enhance my creative process. My goal is to make AI feel accessible and approachable, even for those who don't consider themselves tech-savvy. If you're curious about AI and how it can fit into your own work or hobbies, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Head on over to my channel, PixelPia Human Eye on AI, and let's explore the exciting world of AI together. Can't wait to connect with you. And I'm pretty happy with this. There are some things that needs to be changed, of course. This is not a replacement for me. This is my partner. But the skeleton of what I could use this for is definitely there. But there is more to come. Now, here is where things get really interesting. AI writing tools aren't just about coming up with ideas. They can totally transform the style of our writing. Should our post be playful, super professional, or maybe a little inspiring? Let's find out what AI can do. And here I have the same post type, the same key message, but I'm gonna change the tone of voice. And let's see what it would look like if I chose passionate, if I'm really passionate about this topic. And click write for me. And here we have the second suggestion. Attention all AI enthusiasts. Are you curious about how AI can be a powerful creative partner? Look no further than my YouTube channel, PixelPia Human Eye on AI. On my channel, I show you how to harness the incredible potential of AI tools and use them as collaborative partners, not replacements. AI isn't there to replace human creativity. It's here to enhance it. With the right approach, AI can help your ideate, brainstorm, and produce content like never before. I'll walk you through real-world examples and share my own experiences of working seamlessly with AI assistants. If you're ready to unlock a whole new level of creativity and productivity, subscribe to PixelPia now. Together, let's explore the exciting frontier where human ingenuity and AI innovation collide. That was one way, but let's see if we make it a little humorous instead. Write for me, and let's see what we will come up with this time. You know, I've been hearing a lot of chatter about the whole AI thing, but let me tell you, it's not all doom and gloom, my friends. In fact, AI can be a pretty nifty creative partner if you know how to use it right. That's why I started my YouTube channel, PixelPia, a Human Eye on AI. I'm here to show you how AI can actually be your new best friend, not your replacement. From the latest AI writing tools to image generators that will blow your mind, I'm breaking it all down in a way that's easy to understand. So if you're curious about AI but don't want to get lost in all the technobabble, come on over to PixelPia. I promise you'll leave feeling like an AI expert, or at least a lot less confused. Who knows, you might even find your new favorite AI sidekick. See you there, tech-savvy friends. So in this way we can go on and try different tones of voice to improve our writing. All right, our captions are done. Now it's time to make sure our post actually gets seen. That's where hashtags comes in. But it's not just about slapping on any random words. There is a bit of strategy involved. Think of hashtags like signposts on a giant online highway. You want to use ones that are relevant to your content, that your target audience is actually searching for, but also ones that aren't so overcrowded that you get lost in the shuffle. Luckily, AI tools help with that. I haven't found a free and useful tool for this, but I will continue looking. So for now, I suggest that you use the platform you are using and its internal statistics. But let me show you how you can find hashtags in Writer. Instead of a Facebook post, we will scroll down here until we find the keyword extractor. And let's go up to the one that was written in my voice. So I just copy this, paste it in here as text on the keyword extractor, and let's set the creativity to high this time because we want some original words we can use. And we say write for me. And then we have here AI writer, AI assistant, AI powered tools, AI generated content, human AI collaboration, creative process, AI accessibility, and AI exploration. None of these are very original, but I can use these keywords to go to the social media platform I want to post this on and look at the internal statistics for hashtags. Now it's time to see it all come together with some visuals. But that's a story for our next video. Who knew AI could be such a versatile writer? But a killer social post needs more than just words. Next time, we're diving into AI image generation. Get ready to see some truly mind-bending visuals. I can't wait. And if that is something you are curious about, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get informed when next video is ready. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and be a part of the change. Bye.